Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, and when you stop and actually think about it and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here and the fact that the price was able to close up at that area. Now, don't get me wrong, I mean, it definitely did pull back more than what would have been preferable, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was down here to where it ultimately closed, the price did definitely show some signs of strength via the bounce, but it's definitely more than valid to now question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, answering that question revolves all around this area right here at the $78 mark. Why is $78 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but let's say that the price were to just continue on down, so get down to 75 and then just continue. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price literally right back to where it was at those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote progress, I'm defining and quantifying again as that $78 mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? Very straightforward right now. It's all about the purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50 period at simple moving average. You can see got somewhat close to it right there, within the range of it. But if you could look through the history, right there, you can see the price temporarily got above it. Right there, immediately directed or rejected right there, got above it temporarily, couldn't quite hold above it. So my point is that, yeah, not that this level can't be broken, but if the price is going to get any sort of, bigger type turnaround, that 50 period moving average, again, that purple line, definitely being the thorn in the side of the bulls. So a bounce here today, but yeah, the bounce is looking shaky. However, to be fair, the bulls do still have the opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if they can get that done, if they can get that job done or not. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to offer you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident you would find this live class that I've put together helpful. It is totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or attending, just go to claytrader.com/live or see the link down in the description area below. Like I said, it is genuinely live. There's a question and answers at the end. It's very interactive, so if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.